Hello.
We are here.
We are.
And before we left, we got a box in the mail.
Yes, and we couldn't wait till we got home.
Box.
We had to open it. So we already opened this.
So we already seen what's in here, but we got a package from our friends,
Yay!
WDW Fanatics.
James and Casey. They're so sweet.
Happy anniversary again, guys. It was so awesome meeting you guys.
I know it was.
So they one-upped us though. We sent them a box with all Colorado stuff.
Yeah.
They sent us a box with stuff from 3 different states.
Totally one-upped us.
So we'll start with the...
Can we start with this? I've got
Oh.
this cute little Florida sweatshirt, which I just noticed today has this little feature on the hands. I love that.
Is there a name
But-
for that feature?
I don't know, thumb and I don't know. All I know is it's like 80 degrees outside, and I think we've shut our AC off because, I don't know, and I'm a little bit toasty right now. I'll be okay though.
I think I feel like I hear the AC's on. so
Did
I
it
don't
just
know
kick
what
on?
you're talking
Okay,
about.
I'm warm.
All right. So that was something for her.
Mm-hmm.
Now something for me. A beer koozie. Georgia, the peach state. So see, already got something Florida. Already got something Georgia.
It's a Florida-Georgia line right here, baby. The dogs are sniffing because there's something up here
They have to wait.
they want.
They have to wait.
Yes. Oh, well, in the meantime, you're giving one of those. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Next, you want to show that?
Yeah, so I don't know if you guys are just maybe really paying attention on some vlogs that we've done in the past about my favorite princess, or if you guys are just awesome, but, well, it's probably the second thing. Oh, probably both. But they got me this cute little brush. Snow White's my favorite princess. Yes, girl.
I forgot there's actually 2 things. I thought there was only one thing in Georgia, but we also got this Georgia keychain.
Yes.
Holding that right? I'm not
No.
holding it upside down.
You already had too many beers.
No such thing. Well, it's just, I was holding it right side here, so I just figured it'd be the right side, but you
Nope.
gotta flip it.
Nope.
Smack it up, flip it, rip it down.
Oh, no. Okay, what else we got there, babe?
Now we're going to a completely different state.
This cool magnet from Chicago. See, there's the bean and the big wheel there at that Navy Pier. What else we got on there? I don't know. The cool Chicago skyline. I've been there once, a couple years ago.
So have I, but when I went to Chicago, I got this.
That's not even Casey's team.
I know, that's why I'm wearing it.
That's messed up.
If I'm picking a Chicago team, I'm going Cubs over White Sox.
Okay, next topic.
Even though I'm totally a Red Sox fan. It's because I can only have one Sox team,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
Does that
yeah,
make
yeah.
sense?
It really sucks.
All right, so of course they know us because they got me a bottle opener.
Mm-hmm. To go with your beer koozie.
Chicago.
Mm-hmm. Chicago.
And of course they know me because they know I love baseball.
And he watches
Chicago.
MLB. Yeah, that's a cool
the-
baseball. Yeah. Pretty nifty.
Yeah, I need to collect these for like other cities now. It's really
You're gonna get him
awesome.
started on collecting more stuff.
All
That's pretty
right.
bad. Oh, it's a cute little bag, a reusable bag with the lovely state of Florida and the pretty scenery, that sunshine.
Welcome to Florida. Give me your money.
Oh my gosh.
What's that gun?
No, it's America's plane. Stop.
All right. We get to what the dogs want.
We forgot they got these treats for them, and that's so awesome.
Our dogs have not had any of these yet. These are
No.
some big, I was going to say Sugar Boo. I think that
What?
was James' nickname for Casey. He kept calling her Sugar Boo.
What does that say on there? It does not say Sugar Boo. It says Big Daddy Biscuits.
I'm talking about on the actual...
on the actual bone. Sorry.
It says Sugar Boo.
It does.
What you going to get for dinner, Sugar Boo? What do you say all the time?
Oh. What?
No?
You're going to break that in half, right? Because that's a gigantic.
Yeah, it's huge.
That we don't need to give the dogs too much. Oh, God, stop it. Snacky poos at this time of day. Or you'll be taking them outside for a little poopy poo.
So Parker and Copper, thank you.
Yes.
And then they got us a bunch of treats, which
Are so good.
and a lot are gone.
They are.
Oop,
Whoa,
off
honey.
the camera.
Easy there, Edward.
Sorry everyone. Sorry. Taffy.
That's Eddie. He loves taffy.
Yeah, I don't think you had one piece of this, did
I
you?
didn't. That's okay.
Man, that was good. It's
Although what?
all
Kind,
good.
wait. What did I see here? A deluci or whatever. That looks really yummy. Was that kind in there?
yeah,
And a
Everything-
chocolate?
yeah. Everything you see there was in there.
You ate them. Rude.
I offered.
You did. The other thing that's totally gone, and I kind of like it a little bit. I'm not a huge coconut person, but these weren't too shabby, I might say. But Eddie,
Oh, I devoured these two. Also all gone.
okay, whoa. What, I know. What are they?
They're coconut patties.
They were the. What are the flavors? There was original pina colada and
Key lime.
key lime. Mmm.
And speaking of key lime,
My fave item, which there's
There's
still
only-
there's only a few left. You better let me eat the rest of them.
yeah,
These key lime cookies are awesome. I mean, I love chocolate. This contains no chocolate. This is so good.
and you see most of these really good candies
Oh,
are all coming from this Anastasia place.
I did look them up on Amazon. Thank
Did
you
ya?
very much. Yes, I did. We're going to order some of them.
Because the other Anastasia thing we got
Yes,
is a Choco Gator.
that's totally cute. I can't wait to chomp on the Choco Gator.
It's a taste of paradise, it says.
Get back for all the gators that chomped on humans. I'm going to chomp on a gator. What do you think about that?
I don't know, I wasn't listening. Moon pies!
Moon pies. Woo!
I haven't had a
Yum.
moon pie in a long time.
I know, right? Though. Oh, yeah. We're gonna devour this stuff.
And finally, what are these called again? Goo
Goo cluster. There's a pecan and just the original.
So the original has peanut, caramel, and marshmallow nougat covered in milk chocolate.
Oh my gosh.
And the pecan, of course, has pecans instead of regular
Marshmallow?
peanuts.
Oh no, there's still marshmallow. OMG. I've never had one of those.
Either have I. I don't even think I've heard of them. Moon pies I've heard of.
I think
Moon
I've
pies
heard of a
had.
Goo Goo cluster. Whatever. It's all
Moon
amazing.
pie was a nickname my ex used to have for me.
Anyways.
You don't want to talk about my ex?
No. So that's it, right? Not that that's not like that's a ton of stuff. You guys are
Yeah.
so awesome. This was so fun.
And like I said, from 3 different states. You got Illinois, Georgia, and Florida.
Yeah, I'm not eating these.
We only sent them stuff from Colorado
Right,
because
chocolate.
we're selfish.
Well, we're landlocked. Thank you very much. We don't get to any. I guess it doesn't matter, does it? You want some stuff from Kansas, or from New Mexico, or from Wyoming, or from
Arizona.
Utah, or Arizona's way down there. We don't get out much.
Well, we do just in Colorado and Florida. And in Florida, we're really just sticking to one little area.
Anywho, we're
So
just
again,
really lame.
James and Casey,
Thank you.
thank you so much. Here's to you.
Eddie was gonna get some Fireball today when he stopped by the store. but
Oh,
told
I
him
had to
not
make a beer run. I asked her if she wants some Fireball.
I said no, but you know what? We should have now that we're doing this, and we could have cheersed them. But oh well.
Now you think of it.
Now I think of it. Too
So
late.
thank you guys.
Thanks.
Anyone else, you need to check out WDW Fanatics.
I'll
Awesome
put their
couple.
info in here. Yeah.
Check them out. Like, subscribe, comment
Share.
to them. Like, subscribe, comment
Share.
to us. Them first. Try to be less selfish in these videos. Just this once. Stay tuned for more Tall Tales.
And short stories.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Thanks, James and Casey. Love you guys. Are you still watching?
Stop.
Video.